This is so awkward. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? I missed you all so much and I miss doing this. Before I start the vlog, I just want to address the fact that I have not been consistent. It's because of my health issues. And I had got really bad back pain, injury, whatever you want to call it, and I couldn't walk for days. So I'm finally getting back slowly, and so I just decided to shoot this vlog today because we are going to Sanquelim and we are going to visit a restaurant and the waterfall as well. And as usual, to my rescue, I have my one and only friend, rider provider, Benz.
Hi everyone.
Anyway, the good part about today is it is not raining and it is nice and sunny, which is also not so good part because we are sweating like pigs, even though we have AC in the car. Are you missing rains?
No.
Oh my god, I need more friends who I can use for content. Because clearly this guy is not giving me good content.
Shit. पेट्रोलची आवाज येतो. ब्लिंक जावचे.
आमगे हुशार मनीस पेट्रोल घालपाक इसरोलो आनी ते किंगसोन सावथासोनात सांकळे वचपा जाय हुंय पेट्रोल काय नासतना.
रावचे ती मुखार दाखयता.
Can you just Google the nearby petrol pump?
मानो तू सांगोच न्ही पयली. जान फास्ट गो तू स्लो मनीस.
Say someone who forgot to put petrol. But okay, nothing wrong. Everything is fine.
मुझे किती मिळते?
I'm in danger.
ना
ऐकू येईल ना असं तुम्हाला?
तू vlog चे दादा तो काढत का?
A few moments later.
By the grace. Did I just say by the grace? Okay, by the grace of Almighty God, we and Google Maps, we have found a petrol pump.
Silverspoongoa is the newly opened 3-star restaurant located in the heart of Sanquelim, opposite to Radhakrishna temple and 6 minutes away from the HARVALEM waterfalls, offering a variety of amazing Goan and Indian cuisine along with awesome beverages. That captivating wall for the gram, y'all. The ambience, without a doubt, screams cozy vibes. The amazing in-house pub, one could avail it if the bill crosses 5k. So, if you're at Sanquelim, don't forget to put Silverspoongoa on your list.
Okay, so now we have ordered so many things, as you can see, and by the end of this, we are gonna decide which one was the best. So, without any much blabbering, I think.
Let's just get started.
So I don't know where to start, and there are so many things, but I can see that the quantity is really good of each and every dish. Now we're just gonna taste and see how it goes.
A few minutes later.
मैडम खाना कैसा लगा?
हाँ, तो मुझे ये खाना बहुत अच्छा लगा. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला है कि हर डिश अच्छी है. अगर हम रेस्टोरेंट में जाते हैं, like if I go in any other restaurant, and you all must have also experienced that some or the other dish will not be up to the mark, right? You will have one favorite, but hands down, every dish that they served is really, really tasty and good, and we will definitely visit again. So HARVALEM waterfall is just 6 minutes away from the Silver Spoon restaurant, and now we're going to this waterfall and I'm so excited. So when you come over there, this is the entry, and oh my god, I can see a film actor / singer. Ira re tu waterfall kenna paolinga?
Okay, na waterfall ko pauna. It's the first time I'm going to a waterfall.
You're lying.
Hore chal na, first time. Dekho na.
So we are walking the stairs And you know, we were supposed to come that day, but त्याचा चोड पाऊस पडलो and it was dangerous. So when it is too rainy, I won't recommend you all come here. Even though it totally depends on you, but when it is too rainy, it is dangerous. Phenomenal acting. So if you come down, from the top, there is a temple here and it's very beautiful. Besides that, people are having bath and all. And yeah, you can see there are the Bangla boys. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, fine. He's still playing with the stones while I'm enjoying the view. Yeah, we are just gonna be here for some time and have a chai on top. There you get chai as well. We're gonna have the chai and then we're gonna leave. But it is such a great experience. Ki try karu?
Okay, ready? And सारखे low level चे सर्च को सोडून मार. चल. 2 नेले, 2 झाले, 3 झाले.
Let me type in the award here. And here we have the tourist guides of HARVALEM waterfall. Moti, hi. What's up? This one is a pitbull mix award.
तू कॅमेराचे बसयता पण.
Because he's a cutie patootie. Bye. So we are done for the day and it was such an adventurous day. We had so much fun at SilverSpoongoa. Thank you so much for having us, as well as the HARVALEM waterfall, however it is pronounced as. It was so mesmerizing and I don't know, I was so excited like a little kid, even though I have seen waterfalls and he has never seen any waterfalls. So how was your experience?
Great.
That's all, one word. One word. So that is all I had for you guys today. I hope you all enjoyed this vlog, and if you all liked any part of the vlog, just comment down below and let me know if you all want to see more of such vlogs. And my regular videos are gonna start soon again as I'm getting back, getting good with my health. So that's about that, and I hope you all enjoy the video. If you all like watching my videos, do hit the subscribe button with the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I upload a video. Until then, Mog and peace. See you next Sunday. Bye.